Hello guys, and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to set up Selenium on a Docker container and run some basic web scraping examples. If you're not familiar with the Selenium, it's a powerful tool for automating web browsers and can be used for tasks such as testing, monitoring, and web scraping. By setting up Selenium on a Docker container, we can easily manage and scale our web scraping operations. Before we get into specifics of setting up Selenium on Docker, let's first discuss why you might want to use Docker for your web scraping project. Docker allows us to encapsulate our web scraping environment into a single container that can be easily deployed and managed across different systems. This means we can create a consistent and reproducible environment for our web scraping scripts. Additionally, Docker makes it easy to scale our web scraping operations as we can spin up multiple containers to handle a large amount of data. First, we need the Docker itself. You can easily download it from the docker.com official website. Just choose your operation system and follow the instruction to get along. And you can check if you have a Docker installed by the simple command I will show you. And the command is docker ---- version. You will see your version of your Docker installed on your machine. So next, for checking up if we set up Docker and Selenium correctly, we need some example scripts. Here I have a pretty simple one just to show you how to scrape Amazon, for example, and we get to the amazon.com, find the search bar, paste some value, find the element to paste the value, wait for some time to load the page, and find all the products on the page and paste it to the CSV file. Also, we need a Dockerfile for that. Here is a pretty simple one. Here we have a Python image, and the working directory is Amazon scrape. We copy the requirements CSV. Also, we copy everything inside this directory and run pip install requirements, and also we have bash as our entry point. So now we can run our container. For that we first need to build our image. For that we can write the command. I will paste every command which I use in the description down below, so you can use it by yourself. So now we can start our container. For that we need firstly build our image. For that we need the command like this, docker. Also forget to mention I will paste every command which I use down below the description box, so you can use it. But the command is like that, build. As long as I use the Mac, I need to paste the platform which I will use. Platform, Linux, AMD64 -T, and the name of our image will be Selenium. IMG, and don't forget to paste dot at the end. We will build our image. It should not take a long time. So we finish building our image, and now we can run our Docker container. For that we need a docker run -it and detached, because we want it to run on the background. We use the detached command here, and also we need the volume, and we will set up user. I will copy here, and also we should show the directory at the Docker container. For me it will be like this, Amazon It is our working directory and also data. So next we need name our container, Amazon script Selenium image. Just like that, press enter, and we launch our Docker container. But before I show you at the Docker container, let me show you like running locally. Just check if it works. Here we have launch our application. Here we have Amazon. I don't press anything. It will find the search bar. Paste the Apple MacBook. Search for it. And here we got the result. We will wait for some time. It will close and get our CSV file with the results. I will show you in a bit. And here we have a result. Everything scraped correctly. So now let's set up our Docker container. For get inside our Docker container, we will use the command like that, docker execute it amazon script, the name of our container, and bin.bash /bash. Here we have got inside. As you can see, it is everything here. So let's clear. So here we need to change our directory, cd tmp. Here we have nothing, as you can see. First, we need to update our environment. So for that, we use update. So next, we should download the Google Chrome itself. And install it. I repeat one more time, I will paste every command inside the description box. So just we just installed the Google Chrome. Yes. Now to check if everything worked correctly, here we have a Google Chrome, the latest version. And now we're ready to set up a Chrome driver. For this, we need to download the Chrome driver. Take a look that our version of our Chrome driver is completely the same as the version of our Google Chrome. And then we should unzip our file. And move it to the directory. And to check if everything correct, we also use the command. And as you can see, we have a Chrome driver installed. So actually it's everything set up and we can try. So change the directory to our main working directory. And now we can run our code to check if it's work. Item main.py. And we got the result. Let's check if it's wrote to the file cd data ls, and it's got correctly download to the directory. So now we can cat Amazon. Yeah, we have a name, price, and everything inside our file. And that's it. We successfully set up Selenium on a Docker container and run a basic web scraping example. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more web scraping tutorials. And not only that, thanks for watching. Goodbye.